So here in 19 we multiply 3, then we get the 57. So we have to multiply the denominator also by 3. So minus 5 to the minus 15. Now what you multiply in the denominator minus 5 you will get the product 20. So minus 4. So minus 5 multiply minus 4 gives you the plus 20. Minus 5 multiply minus 4 gives you the plus 20. So here also you have to multiply by minus 4. So 19 4s are 76 and if the minus is minus 76. So what you got the answer? Minus 76. Okay. So that is the answer, minus 76. Now move on. Find x so that 12 by 15 is equals to 16 by x. Question number 98. Now we solve 98. The question is 2 by 15 equals to 16 by x. 2 by 15 equals to 16 by x. So here we have to find the value of x. Okay. So simply we can do it here also. What you multiply into you get 16. That is the 8. Here also you multiply 8 only that will get the answer. Another method you can see. Another method is that you can do the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. So cross multiplication means multiply this 2 into x and 15 into 16. So by cross multiplication 2 into x, that is 2x equals to 15 multiply 16. Now we need to find x. So put x on the left hand side alone and transpose this 2 on the right hand side. So this 2 is multiplied with x. When you transpose to the right hand side it will be divided by this number. Okay. So now x is equals to 15 multiply 16 divided by 2, because 2 is multiplied here. So whenever you transpose any number from left hand side to the right hand side, so its sign will change. Multiplication will be converted into division, plus will be converted into minus. Okay, now here see 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16. Now 15 8s are 120. So what you got the answer? 120. So the value of x is 120. Okay, similarly do the other question also. Now the question number 10. Which of the following rational numbers are equivalent? So first we check A 5 by 8 or 10 by 16. So first we check A 10 A. So in this question number 10 A, 5 by 8 and 10 by 16. 5 by 8 and 10 by 16. See these are equivalent or not? So 5 2s are 10, 8 2s are 16. Yes, these are equivalent. So these are equivalent because 10 is multiple of 5 and 16 is also multiple of 8. Both are coming in the 2 times only. So 5 2s are 10. So this you can simplify it also and you will get the same number. See, 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, 5 by 8. So this is the equivalent value. So if you simplify the equivalent fraction, you are getting the original fraction, lowest fraction. So it is equivalent only. Okay. Now we move on to the next exercise 3b. We have to do the comparison less than greater than or equals to, that is here given. Okay. So number is minus 7 by 24 minus 3 by 8. Minus 7 by 24 minus 3 by 8. First question 3. Now we move on to the 3b. So we will practice 3b. First question. So first question 1a, we have to do the comparison. So we have to do the comparison. Minus 7 by 24 minus 3 by 8. Minus 7 by 24 or here minus 3 by 8. So what we have? Minus 1 by 24 minus 3 by 8. So here we have to fill the sign of inequality, whether it is greater than, less than or equals to. So say how we will do that? Minus 7 by 24 minus 3 by 8. So you have to find in two fractions, you have to find the cross product only. And both are negative also. So in the cases both are negative also, so you have to do the comparison, see the product what you got, do the cross multiply. Minus 7 8 are. So minus 7 multiply 8 here. Okay. Or also you can do the LCM method also you can apply. So it will be easy to apply the LCM method also. So try to make the denominator same of both the fractions or both the fractions. Here if you find the LCM of 24 and 8, what you will get? 24 only. So find the LCM of 24 and 8. So LCM of 8 and 24. So LCM of 8 and 24 is equals to 24. Okay. So this is equals to LCM only. There is no problem. Minus 7 by 24. But here in minus 3 by 8, what you multiply in 8 it will become equals to the LCM 24. So in 8 you have to multiply 3. Then in the numerator also you have to multiply by 3. So now you got, see, here we have the minus 7 by 24. No problem, it is equal to the denominator of this fraction is equal to LCM only. But here you got a minus 9 by 24. Now if the denominator is same of the two fractions, and the fraction is called like fraction. Now the denominator are same, now we can do the comparison. So compare the numerator, minus 7 minus 9. So is minus 7 is less than or greater than? Minus 7 is greater than minus 9. In negative numbers, in negative, the number is bigger, it is smaller. Okay, so on the number line what you find is a minus 7 is greater than minus 9 by 24. So here you use the greater than symbol. Okay, so this is the greater than symbol. So on the number line you see. Now, see one thing. So let me explain you that how it is. So on the number line you find, see, this is the 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and so on. Here minus 1, here minus 2, minus 3 like that. Okay. So what you find? Whenever you move on the number line, from left to right the number is increasing. Here you find we have got the number minus 7 and we got the number minus 9. Okay, minus 7 minus 9. So similarly here you can also see what I told you, that a minus 7 is greater than minus 9. Because minus 7 is found on the right of the minus 9. So whenever the number exists on the right of the number, that is greater. Here see, 1 is right to 0, so 1 is greater. 2 is right to 1, so 2 is greater. Here you see, minus 1 is on the right side of minus 2. So this is left and this is right. So minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Minus 1 is greater than minus 2. So here, this is minus 4. So when you move from left side of the number line, the number is decreasing and it will go to minus infinity. So minus 1, then minus 2 is less than minus 1, minus 3 is less than minus 2, minus 4 is less than minus 3. So when you move to left on the number line, the number decreases. So when you find minus 7 is on the number line, you find minus 7 is on the right of the minus 9. Okay, like this. Minus 2 is on the right of minus 3. So minus 2 is greater than minus 3. That is the reason. Okay. So like this you have to do the comparison. Now next comparison you see. In one E, 8 by 14, 11 by 21. 8 by 14, 11 by 21. 8 by 14 or 11 by 21. Okay, this is the comparison. 8 by 14, 11 by 21. Now see how it can be done. So here also, if you try to find the LCM of 14 and 21, see what you are going to get. Okay. So let us find the LCM of 14 and 21. So when you try to find the LCM of this, see what you are going to get. 2 sevens are 14, 21 is not divisible. Now 7 ones are 7, 7 3s are 21. Now 3 ones are 3. So what you are getting the LCM? 2 sevens are 14 and 14 3s are 42. So what you are going to get the LCM? 42. So here we got the LCM 42. Okay. So here we got the LCM 42. So LCM of 14 and 21 is equals to 42. So what you multiply in 14 will get the 42 equal to the LCM. So see, what you multiply in 14 get 42 3. So multiply it with the numerator also. Here 11 by 21. What you multiply in 21 you get the denominator equals to LCM 42. 21 2s are 42. So multiply it with the numerator also. Now you see what is the result. Now the comparison is very easy. Now 8 is at 24 upon 42 here. 11 to the 22 upon 42. Now denominators are same. Now it is very easy to do the comparison. Now compare the numerator 24 is greater than 22. So what you got? 24 by 42 is greater than, means in your real value 8 by 14 is greater than 11 by 21. So in your answer what you got? 8 by 14 is greater than 11 by 21. This is the answer. Okay, like this you can we can do the comparison. Okay, now we move on to the question number 2. Write in the order from the least to greatest, means ascending order you have to follow. Ascending order you have to follow. Okay. Least to greatest. Okay. The question is 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2, 5 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2, 5 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2, 5 by 2 minus 7 by 2 minus 2 by 2. Minus 7 by 2 or minus 2 by 2. Okay, minus 2 by 2 minus 2 by 2. So we have to arrange this in the least to greatest. Least to greatest. Least to greatest means ascending order. So we have to arrange this in ascending order. Now see the value. Minus 2 by 2 means what? 1 only. So all the denominators are same here. So it is very easy to do the comparison. Only compare the numerators. So which is the smallest value? So negative numerators are smallest. So in negative, which is the greatest number? Minus 7. So this is the smallest value. So first you write what? Minus 7 by 2. After that, after minus 7 there is minus 3 is the smallest. Okay. So minus 3 by 2. After that minus 2 by 2. So negative number is the smallest number. Now see, come on the positive. So now the positive there is 3 number, 1 by 2 and 5 by 2. So the 1 by 2 is the smallest. Now 5 by 2 is the greatest. Okay, this is the ascending order. This is an ascending order. This is ascending order. Okay. Like this we can do it. Okay. So this is all for today. Now this self practice 3P is completed. So the other questions self practice 3C we will do in the next class. So thank you for attention. This is all for today. Hello students. So today we will continue the questions of self practice 3A. Okay. So now you see the question number 7. Write 4 rational numbers equivalent to each of the following rational numbers. Question number 7. And 7, the question number first A, that is 3 by 5. 7A, 3 by 5. So we have to write the 4 equivalent rational numbers for the rational number 3 by 5. So 4 equivalent means we have to write its multiple. So another first one you see how you write it. Now another one you can write 3 2s are 3 multiply 2, 5 multiply 2. That is that one. 6 by 10 you can write. So one you got 6 by 10. Similarly, another multiple you can write. Another equivalent rational number you can write. 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. That is 3 and 5 multiply 3. That is 9 by 15. Similarly, you can write the third one. 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20. That is 3 4s are 12 and 5 4s are 20. So 3 equivalent you will take. Now the fourth equivalent will be multiplied by 5. 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25. So next one will be the 15 by 25. Like this you have to do. Okay. Similarly, you can do the other questions also. Now we move on to the next question. Now see that is question number 8. Express 2 by 5 as a rational number with a denominator 35. 8a. Express 2 by 5 as denominator 35. So here this is also equivalent fraction. So we have to express 2 by 5 as a rational number with a denominator 35. Now how this 35 we got? By multiplying 5 into 7 and then you get to 35. So here if you are getting 35 by multiplying 7 to the denominator, you have to multiply the numerator also by 7. So multiply the numerator also with those number which number the denominator is multiplied and gives the product 35. So 5 7 is 35. So 2 7 is 14. So your rational number will be the equivalent rational you got 14 by 25. 14 by 25. Okay, understand? So now express 19 upon minus 5 is a rational number with numerator 57 and denominator 20. With numerator 57 and denominator 20. Okay. See. Let us see. And 19 upon minus 5. 19 upon minus 5. So here two different rational number is asked. One rational number is asked here. Numerator 57. So numerator 57. And in second case it is asked that denominator 20. Denominator 20. Okay. So here I have to find the denominator and here I have to find the numerator. Okay. So what you multiply in 19 to get the 57? So 19 3 is 57. So here also you multiply 3 minus 5 3 is